we're gonna go see Slander. This is my best friend Danielle.
Hi.
As you can see, it gets really crowded here. So Hi guys, today is Friday. I have my best friend here, Danielle. She's visiting from out of town, but she doesn't want to be on camera yet because we kind of just woke up. But we are taking a Pilates class today at a local Denver chain. It's called Fierce 45. It's a type of reformers Pilates class. I haven't done this class in a while. It kicks my butt every time. So I'm kind of nervous. And it's Danielle's first time taking this specific class, obviously. So wish us luck.
Lots of luck.
Later on today, we're gonna head out to get some brunch and
Bubble
also
tea.
Yes, milk tea. We're gonna get some milk tea and also go to a Red Rocks concert tonight. We're gonna go see Slander and yeah, we'll take you guys along with us. Am I missing anything?
We're gonna also nap in between.
Oh yeah, we're also probably gonna nap in between because we're tired.
Yeah.
And we're nap queens, so.
Yeah.
I have to go in and get sticky socks because I couldn't find mine. Did you bring yours? Oh, you're good. Okay. All right. See you guys later. Bye. So we're now at
Walking.
Red Rock.
Red
Rocks.
Red Rocks.
So we're not ready before, and now we're at Red Rocks. We're doing a hike up, just like last week. But actually, this is worse because we parked a lot further than last week.
Well, I mean, I wasn't here last week, but
Yeah.
after Pilates, oh my God.
We're already sore, and now we're gonna be
Yeah.
even more sore. So, all right. We'll see you guys up there. I forgot to introduce, but this is my best friend Danielle.
Hi.
And she's visiting from
Jersey.
New Jersey.
Dirty Jersey.
And this is her first time at Red Rocks, so we're
Yeah.
really excited.
Super excited.
Woo!
It's been a year in the making.
Year in the making. Let's go. Is it on? Is it? Hi guys, it is Saturday today.
Saturday.
It is Saturday.
Hello.
We had a really good time at Red Rocks last night, but today we do have some things that we have planned. We're gonna go to a alpaca farm that's actually at Red Rocks, so we're going back there again, but it's like a ranch outside of Red Rocks, and we're gonna go feed some alpacas and get a tour and
play with them.
play with them,
Have
pet
them spit on us.
I'm so excited. But first we actually grabbed some coffee, pumpkin cream cold brew, and Jersey Mike's. So we're gonna eat real quick, get caffeinated, and then see some alpacas.
Yeah.
Yay! Hi guys, we're back home now. I switched into my PJs because I'm not sure if it's allergies from being on the alpaca farm or I might be like coming down with a cold, but I'm pretty congested right now. I don't really feel like 100%. So We had planned to go out for dinner later, and we still have a couple hours before dinner happens. So I think we're actually all just gonna chill on the couch and watch a movie together and maybe take a nap and just take it really chill today. I'm just super drained because we were dancing all night and Pilates kicked my butt, so my whole body is just so sore right now. Oh, also, by the way, the alpaca farm was super fun. I would highly recommend it if you guys are more of like an experienced kind of person. You're coming to Denver and you like animals. It was just a very interactive experience where we got to feed the alpacas and also some goats and learn about how the guy takes care of them. So it was a really cool experience. I love alpacas, I love goats, so I had a great time. Before I sign off, if anyone has a tip on when you're wearing sunglasses and that nose piece digs into your skin and leaves a red mark, is there like a little secret to get rid of this, or like a secret to not get this when you're wearing sunglasses? Let me know, please, because I need help. This always happens. All right, see you later. We're gonna go to Maki Den for dinner right now. Sushi. Hand roll time. Let's go. Today's Sunday. We are at the South Pearl Street Farmers Market in Denver. This farmer market usually happens from only May to November, so we definitely love going here when it's open. It's really fun. There's a lot of food stalls and you can try a lot of food samples and buy a lot of cute things to support your local business. So we brought our friends here and we're just gonna walk through and see what we find. And it's such a beautiful day today. I'm so happy. It's like October, but it's still 80 degrees. So I get to wear my little dress, little sundress still. But yeah, we're gonna go walk through. Let's go. As you can see, it gets really crowded here, so you want to come early. We came a little late, but
Can you pay with cards?
we got this, tiramisu nut croissant that we're like halfway through, and it is so good. There's like creamy tiramisu bits in it. So good. So now we're at Mamacita's. I came here 3 weeks ago. It was in my other vlog, but figured Danielle could try it because the burritos are pretty good here.
And I haven't had that great of a burrito on the East Coast yet.
Yeah. So hope you like it.
I think I will.
What do you think of the farmer's market?
I think it was cute.
Yeah.
We got Denver popcorn, candles.
The candles are really nice.
Yeah.
I got this air plant that has a Bulbasaur planter. It's so cute.
It's actually really cute.
Yeah, I've never owned an air plant before, so hopefully I keep this alive. It's really cute.
I believe in you.
If you guys are ever in Denver from May to November, that farmer's market is really poppin'. You should go early. It's usually open from 9 to 1. The later you go, the more crowded it is and the more things sell out. So definitely try to go early. It's a fun thing to do on a Sunday.
Go with an empty stomach.
Yeah, go with an empty stomach. A lot of stalls offer free samples, and also you end up eating a lot there. Like you end up buying a lot of food there. So yeah. All right.
I enjoyed it.
Yay. Okay, we're gonna go eat now.
Okay.
We're gonna go eat more food now. Bye. Babe, ya sabes Alright guys, we are headed to eat dessert at our favorite Korean dessert cafe. It's called Soulbing. This place opened a couple months ago and it has Korean shaved ice. It is Danielle's last meal here. I'm so sad she's leaving tomorrow, but yeah, we're gonna have some Soulbing first. Oh, but who got us a fork? Our friend got us a fork to eat bingsu. Bingsu. Yeah. Bum. That's fine. Maybe
I got caught on camera. Exposed.
Honestly, the amount of stuff I record while I'm eating and things stopping, I'm so busy.
You're realizing. Oh my god.
Guys, I realized I never filmed an outro for the vlog, but I promise I'll get better, sorry. I'm editing this vlog right now and honestly, just editing it is making me so happy that I'm able to just like kind of put these memories onto a video and like rewatch it and re-experience it in a way. I usually do take a lot of pictures, but I used to not really take a lot of videos prior to vlogging. And so being able to kind of see these memories again has been really nice. Just a quick recap, we honestly had such a fun weekend. I'm always so grateful that our friends are willing to visit us, or like if they're in town, they're willing to make time to just like hang out with us or get a dinner with us. Like that to me means so much, and it makes me feel so blessed to have like friends that I don't necessarily have to, you know, be in the same state with, but they still remember me, I still remember them, and when we chat, we just pick up where we left off. So yeah, I really do appreciate friendships like that. So Danielle and I actually filmed a Get Ready With Me video together, and we talked about how we were able to maintain like a long-term friendship on there. I haven't looked at those video clips yet, but if you guys are interested in that kind of video, let me know. I will get to editing it right away. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like that video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer them. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week on the next vlog. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.